So I have explained you the definition of rectangle and the various points to define a rectangle in the previous classes also. So let us revise once again that how will you define a rectangle. Various points were, the first point which I told you that rectangle is a 2D shape. Okay, the first point was that it is a 2D shape. Okay, the second point is that in rectangle, 2D means rectangle has two dimensions. The first one is length and the other one is breadth, which I have explained you before also. Second point is that it has four sides, but it is very easy. It is a closed figure made by four sides. Okay, but what is the unique thing in these four sides? That opposite sides are equal. Okay, second thing is that it also have four sides. Okay, it also have four sides. And third thing is that opposite sides are equal. Okay, opposite sides are equal. And fourth point is opposite sides are parallel also. Okay, and the fifth point is adjacent sides are not equal. Adjacent sides are not equal. Okay, the sixth point is all the angles measure 90 degree. Okay, sixth point is एंगल मेजर 90
मैम
डिग्री.
पर वो 90 डिग्री कैसे होगा? ऊपर वाला साइड तो बड़ा है.
बाबू एंगल एंगल आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एंगल. एंगल मीन्स आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एंगल.
होगा.
ओके, लिसन टू मी, मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ. लिसन टू मी हाउ द एंगल्स आर 90 डिग्री. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, आर यू क्लियर विद द फर्स्ट पॉइंट? दैट इज इट इज 2D शेप.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, it means rectangle is a 2D shape. Why it is a 2D shape? 2D shape means it is a two-dimensional shape, and two-dimensional means it have only two dimensions. The first one is length and the second one is its width or breadth. So the first point is cleared. So I am going to erase first point. Okay. Now the second point is it has four sides. Very easy. A rectangle is a closed figure made by four sides. So second point is also clear, I think. Okay, now come to the third point. Third point is that opposite sides are equal. Mute yourself, some background sound is coming from your side, so mute yourself.
Ma'am, from Aditya.
Aditya Babu, mute yourself. Third point is opposite sides are, mute yourself, opposite sides are equal. And fourth point is it is parallel. So see, opposite means उल्टा. तो just opposite, ये वाली साइड जो रेक्टेंगल की है, इसके जस्ट अपोजिट वाली साइड कौन सी है? तो ये वाली साइड है. यानी दीज टू साइड्स आर इक्वल. द साइड, अगर इसे मैं साइड 1 बोलूँ और इसे साइड 2 बोलूँ, तो साइड 1 इज़ इक्वल टू साइड 2. ये मैंने थर्ड पॉइंट में बोला है. ओके, इन रेक्टेंगल अपोजिट साइड्स आर equal. Then third point is clear. Now the question is, now the fourth point is opposite sides are parallel. Again I am talking about opposite sides. So opposite sides के parallel होने के लिए मैंने explain किया अभी just जब square explain कर रही थी, that parallel means the distance between two line is same from the beginning to the end. If this one is side 1 and this one is side 2, then look the distance between side 1, यहाँ side 1 से side 2 के बीच की दूरी जितना यहाँ beginning में है उतना ही middle में है और उतना ही end में है. It means when the distance between two sides are similar, are same from the beginning to end, it means side 1 जो है, side 1 is parallel to side 2. So ऐसा rectangle में भी होता है कि इसके opposite sides जो होते हैं वो पैरेलल होते हैं. तो फोर्थ पॉइंट इज क्लियर टू यू कि अपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल होंगे. द फिफ्थ साइड इज एडजेसेंट साइड आर नॉट इक्वल. फिफ्थ पॉइंट क्या है कि एडजेसेंट साइड जो होते हैं वो इक्वल नहीं होते हैं. एडजेसेंट मीन्स क्या होता है? एडजेसेंट मीन्स दीज टू साइड्स आर कॉल्ड एडजेसेंट. जो दो साइड्स आपस में मिल रहे हैं, जैसे ये साइड और ये साइड एक दूसरे के एडजेसेंट हुए. अगर मैं बताऊं तो ये साइड और ये साइड एक दूसरे के एडजेसेंट हुए, ये साइड और ये साइड एक दूसरे के एडजेसेंट हुए. ओके, ये वाली साइड और ये वाली साइड एक दूसरे के एडजेसेंट हुए, तो ये दोनों साइड जो हुए ना, एडजेसेंट साइड्स जो भी हुए वो सारे इक्वल नहीं होते हैं। स्क्वायर में इक्वल हुआ करता था पर रेक्टेंगल में इक्वल नहीं होते। लुक, दिस वन इज द ब्रेथ एंड दिस वन इज द लेंथ। कैन यू सी दैट लेंथ जो है वो ब्रेथ के इक्वल है क्या? कैन यू आइडेंटिफाई इट?
Yes, ma'am, it is not equal.
It is not equal.
Ma'am, it is not equal.
Yes, the fifth point is saying the same thing. मैंने जो फिफ्थ पॉइंट लिखा ना एडजेसेंट साइड के बारे में, उसका यही मतलब मैं बता रही हूँ कि ये जो एडजेसेंट साइड है दे आर नॉट इक्वल इन रेक्टेंगल। ये किस केस में? इन केस ऑफ रेक्टेंगल ओनली एडजेसेंट साइड्स आर नॉट इक्वल। ओके, एडजेसेंट साइड क्या होते हैं? नॉट इक्वल। ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, एडजेसेंट साइड्स आर नॉट इक्वल। सो फिफ्थ पॉइंट इज ऑल्सो क्लियर। नाउ द सिक्स्थ पॉइंट इज एंगल मेजर 90 डिग्री। मैंने अभी आपको जस्ट बताया था, डोंट यूज योर पेन एनीवन, दैट द एंगल्स ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज ऑल्सो 90 डिग्री। और एंगल्स कैसे बनते हैं? दे आर फोर कॉर्नर्स इन द रेक्टेंगल। यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट इज कॉर्नर, देन द पॉइंट वेयर टू साइड्स मीट. The points where two sides meet is corner, and there are four corners in a rectangle also, and there are four angles on each corner. Okay, and each angle measure 90 degree, and 90 degree is also called right angle. What is it called? Right angle. Okay, so
Right angle.
yes, so I have explained you all the 6 points related to a rectangle. So now I think it is easy for you to define a rectangle in your own words. Okay, the seventh point is also here, is that in seventh point you can say
Yes,
that
ma'am.
the diagonals of rectangle are also equal. Okay, seventh point is diagonals are equal. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
diagonals are equal in rectangle also. Okay, so all these 7 points are the characteristic or the 7 important points through which you can define a rectangle very clearly in your own words. So I think now it is easy for you to write a new definition of rectangle on your own, in your own words.
Ma'am, we have made it. We have also made it one definition of rectangle previous class.
Yes, you all have done it, but right now I am explaining you all the 2D shapes, so you have to write it again. Okay, you will use all the 7 points which I explained you right now related to rectangle, and you will make your own new definition.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so do you have
ma'am.
any problem on this page?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
so once I am going to explain you this key point. Here is a rectangle has two short side. Short side means these two sides. Breadth has shorter sides. Okay, and two long sides. Long sides means length of rectangle are the longer sides. So these are the two longer sides. It also has four corners. That is very clear. Four corners. The point where two sides meet are called corner, and we have four corners in rectangle, विच मेक 4 इक्वल एंगल्स. मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि कॉर्नर्स पे 4 एंगल्स बनते हैं. ओके, सो दीज आर द 4 एंगल्स विच इज़ मेड ऑन द कॉर्नर. तो here 4 points has been written about a rectangle, and I hope that is clear to you. This definition is also clear to you, and you can make your own definition using the points which I explained you right now. Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I share the next page? Or do you want to have a revision of all the shapes which I explained you? Will you please respond?
Ma'am, revision.
Okay, so let us revise it again. So I will ask you right now whatever I have explained you in yesterday class and today's class. Everyone now keep your cameras on. Okay, yes, show me your video. I will ask one by one from you. Sneha, can you define the can you say the definition of shape?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Yes, sure, start.
Yes, ma'am. A shape can be defined as the form of its external outline.
Okay, Sneha. Then shape is divided in how many categories?
Ma'am, shape is divided in two categories:
Which are they?
open shape and closed shape.
Okay, can you define open shape and closed shape?
Yes, ma'am. Like we can take any shapes we have drawn, whose some space is left. We left some space is called open shape, and closed shape called that have no gap, no space.
Okay. Okay, Sneha. So this is open shape and closed shape. Can you define that closed shape is divided into how many parts and which are they?
Ma'am, this I don't know.
Okay. So anyone who wants to define it, that closed shape is divided into how many parts and which are they? Okay, Aram, you have raised your hand. Can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
define it?
Close.
No, Sneha, now your chance. Now your time over.
Ma'am, I.
Arham, you have raised your hand. Do you want to share it? Arham, do you want to say about it? Mute yourself, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Some background sound is coming from your side. Okay, Arham, so please share. Arham, if you are able to say, then start.
Can I go?
Yes, start.
Ma'am, I have to define the open shape and closed shape.
No. Closed shape. In how many categories closed shape are divided in how many categories?
Ma'am, closed shape is divided into two categories.
Yes,
First
which are
is
they?
two-dimensional and second is three-dimensional.
Okay, very good. In 2D shapes, how many shapes you have to learn right now, which I was explaining you yesterday? In 2D
What,
shape,
ma'am?
in 2D shape, which shape you have to learn right now?
Ma'am, square, rectangle,
Hmm.
triangle,
Hmm.
and circle.
Ha. Square, rectangle, triangle, and circle. Very good. But don't confuse. You are saying right, so don't confuse. This was just a revision of shape, which was from standard 5th.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and these all points were
Ma'am,
from the NCRTs of chapter 4th maths. Okay, so I hope you all have enjoyed
okay,
your
ma'am.
class. If you have any doubt, then
Yes,
we will
ma'am.
clear it on next day, and we will go through the next point and next topics of shape tomorrow. Okay.
Ma'am,